Hey guys, wanted to share with you these amazing 3-chamber laundry pods. These are incredible. We absolutely love them. They smell amazing. They are so simple and easy to use. And I love that I don't have to worry about over pouring. I always over pour my laundry soap. So these make a very, very awesome way to just throw in your pod and you're good to go. So I'm gonna open it up here and show you what they look like. Like I said, they're 3 chambers, so very great for your, just scents and things like that. Here is what they look like, nice up and close. I'm going to talk a little bit about them and show you how great they are.
These laundry pods have a long-term fragrance. They'll achieve 90 days of long-lasting fragrance, so making your clothes smell amazing. These add odor capture molecules to effectively remove the odor. These are great because they are rich in cellulose enzyme. They cut off the fiber of non-cohesion on the fabric. They also use DTI polymers to effectively capture free dye molecules in the water. They are anti-scouring color effect.
So if you're in the market for a great laundry pod, definitely recommend this one. They're so easy to use, they smell amazing, and they're a great product.